Yo, what is up everybody? Welcome back to One to Step YouTube channel, and we are back with another PayPal video. And in today's PayPal video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how you guys can receive money in PayPal without having a bank account linked to your PayPal account. Now, it's pretty simple, so let me explain some stuff how you guys can receive money in PayPal. So right now, I'm on PayPal's help page over here, and you guys can also come here if you guys want to check it out. So this is basically what I searched, how do I receive money through PayPal. So let me read this and explain you guys what this is. But before that, I want you guys to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for a future video. So what this is with PayPal, you receive money when somebody sends a payment to your email address or mobile number. Once that happens, we'll send you a message letting you know you have the money available. So basically what that means is, let's say you do not have your bank account linked and somebody sends you a money in PayPal. Basically, you're going to receive that money, but it's going to be stored in your PayPal account. To withdraw that money from PayPal or to take it into cash, you need to link your bank account and transfer that money into your bank account to take the money out. So that's the problem. You can receive the money in PayPal if you do not have a bank account, but take it out from a PayPal account, you need to have the bank account. So that's basically it. So let me show you guys how you guys can receive money in PayPal if you do not have a bank account as well. So basically, you want to go to paypal.com, which is the official website of PayPal, just like this, and log in into your account. If you guys have already logged in into your account, then basically you're going to be welcomed into PayPal's this page over here. Once you're over here, basically what you want to do is click on where it says request. You want to click on request so you guys can get money. So once you click on request, you want to enter the email, name or phone number of the person, whoever person you want to ask money from. Enter their name, email or mobile number and click on next, and email or a message will be sent to the person requesting money saying it's sent by you. And if they send the money, it will be stored into your PayPal account. But if you guys want to take it out of your PayPal, you need to have a bank account linked, so you can transfer the money from your PayPal to your bank to take it out. So yeah, that's basically how it works. You can receive money, but you can't take it out from your PayPal without having a bank account. So yeah, that's basically how it works. Hope you guys were able to understand this video. If you were, then be sure to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future video. And if you guys have any questions related with this video, you can feel free to comment down below. I'll be happy to answer you guys and help you solve your problem. I will see you guys in my next video. Until then, have a nice day and bye-bye.